Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make video ads for your products and publish them on any social platform. If you are interested in this video, then subscribe to my channel for more videos like this and press the bell icon to stay notified for the upcoming videos. So let's get started. First of all, you will open your browser and search makermoon.com, or I will leave the link in the description below of the video. Then sign up. First of all, tell you these all websites, both of our websites are paid. To use this, you have to follow this trick, otherwise you have to pay for it. Then let's get started. For creating account, you need a temporary mail. For this, you have to search on Google temporary email. You will click on the first website, tempmail.org. This is your temporary email. It's this. Click copy to clipboard, then come to here, paste it, choose your password and sign up for free. There is no project, so create your first video, click on this, then try it for now free. See, here are many templates to get started with. The yellow tag ones are the paid ones. You don't have to choose them, you will take the free ones which are available on their website. So let's take this looking for adventure out. Let's click on edit. See, here is a video. The text is the background color, all the things you can see. See, the transitions are happening. See the transitions which are coming the background. Then click on text one. Text, you can edit it. Looking, for example, text sialkotii. Then go back. Then go back. Text two. Your online tutor. Oh, sorry. Click on text. Your online tutor. Then go back. You can click on background. You can choose the images here. Okay. Then download the video. See, here is a little watermark here. You can adjust your text like this. You can crop the video size later on. Then you can publish it anywhere. Download size, download video, then it is save now. You can choose this one and or this website, contentsamurai.com. Click on start your trial. Place your name here. For example, Yushi. Place your temporary mail here. Paste. Get access now. When it loaded, here, welcome, here you have been sent an email for confirmation. Come back here, scroll down, here is a mail from Content Samurai. Click on set up your password. Click here, When it is loaded, it will ask you to set up a password for your account. After 6 or 7 days, the trial will be over. You will again head over to the temporary mail website and choose your new mail, and then you will create another account. From this trick, you can use it for free for lifetime. Otherwise, you have to pay for it. I may set a password. Then I will tell you how to use the content summary. I agree with the content summary terms. Continue. Click on never.
In this short video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can create
Getting started. You can click on my videos. You can click on create a new video. See, here are many templates to started with, from content video, influencer video, instant ads, sales video, course training video. You can change any template and make changes to its background and its text for according to your use. You can use your b-rolls of your products, and then you can add upload in the website, and then you can use from this. Then you can add them in the website, and then you can use your product sales through it. Another thing is that you can choose this thing, and you can publish its gig on Fiverr and earn money by giving this service on Fiverr. It will not charge you anything for making the video, and you can earn money from Fiverr by using this thing. If you like this video, then give Zip a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Sorry for the weak English. I hope I will increase in the next upcoming videos. I get a little nervous recording the video. It's my first time, so compromise please. First time, thumbs up, share and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned. Allah Hafiz.